Alright, today we have a lock. This Toledo. Looks like a TBK13 from Bosnianbill. I think he picked this same lock. That's what we're looking for as far as the bidding here. Little challenge, not too bad. I did pop this brand and the model number in on the internet just to see what I can find on it. And it looks like Master Lock is suing Toledo Company. The paperwork was submitted on August 28th of 2013 for some patent infringement, including this lock and quite a few others. Now I don't know why any company would want to copy Master Lock, because I think their locks are trash, but hey, whatever. I think this lock, let's see, it's about a 50 millimeter. Let's load it up and see if we can pick this today. I've picked it before, and that's probably why it's a fairly easy pick. It's probably because they copied Master on it, but let's do a little zoom in here. If it ever focuses. Come on, baby. Work with me here. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm using a Peterson Gem 15 thousandths and a 50 thousandths Peterson pry bar. Okay, we'll go to the back. That was pin 6. And there's 5. There's 4. It's like 1, 3, and 2. So, as you can see, it pretty much acts like a Master Lock. So, could probably put any key in there to work. But thanks again for the lock, Bill, and you guys have fun and stay legal.